Okay, so laundry. Great location, so it's off from the kitchen. And we've got two bench tops. This side we've got the laundry trough built in and the ceramic. Plenty of cupboards and overhead cupboards. Look at that, plenty. Nice recess there for your front loader and another bench top. What for? Folding bench top. So again, cupboards, overhead cupboards. And to my left here, built-in linen. So plenty of storage. Very important in these narrow lot designs. And then of course, aluminium door out to the side of the yard for access to clotheslines and whatnot. Okay, so we've come out of the laundry, passing the kitchen. Now we're going into the alfresco. Now a bit of weight in that sliding door, which tells me it's double glazed. Walking out into the alfresco, geez, huge height here. I love the nice feature corners. So good space, and I can see now another sliding door that introduces me into the master suite.